Okay, here we have some little clips that hold the wiper cowl on FD Mazda Rx7. These are the OEM clips right here, and what they'll do is they'll snap into these square openings below the windshield. They're meant to kind of wiggle back and forth a little bit, probably for the expansion and contraction of the metal cowl when it sits in the sun or on a cold day. There's 5 of them, and they're discontinued by Mazda. You can't get them anymore. And they're pretty much impossible to remove without breaking. I actually removed 2 of them, broke both of them, and then I decided to smarten up and see if they're discontinued or not, and that's when I realized that they were discontinued. So I stopped. That's why I've got 4 in there that are 3 in there, I guess, that are painted red. You can see the little angled snaps break off of both sides or one side, and then they won't stay snapped down. This one lost the one on the left side. So I designed and 3D printed some. These are using ABS filament, and they're more or less the exact design as the OEM. They're not as pretty looking, but they seem to work. And I'm going to put the file online for free to download on my website. But one thing is, when you do print them, you don't want to print them. You don't want to print them just like this, because then your printers is going to be going through and making horizontal lines on these little tab parts that want to bend. You want to print them on their side, just like this, so that the printer nozzle, when it goes back and forth, the lines will go with the tab. That'll make it a lot stronger. I took a pair of pliers on one of these and I was able to squeeze them right down flat, and it didn't break or anything. So I'm gonna snap this one in. Crawl under here. You can see I've already got one in right here, just to show it. It can move around just like the factory. It's not going to pop out at all. Before I put it in, I used the OEM screws, and I put it in a vise, and I threaded the screw all the way in and all the way out, just to make sure that that would work. These clips over on the side, I think you can still get those. There's one on each side. And then right in the middle, there's this weird H clip. You can still get that. It's just a $1 or $2 from the dealer. So I have a new one of those coming on the way. So right here, line it up, snaps in, moves around, and now my wiper cowl will be just as secure. So that's it. I'll put the link in the description of where you can download it. Thanks.